Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my trading series. This is episode 5, and I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor by any means. If you choose to follow any of the trades that I make, it is up to you. I do not guarantee any profitable outcomes. So obviously we started off with $500 a couple of months ago, and it's been doing okay, right? By just really flipping a couple of coins and doing and this and that, we're in a bit of profit over here. So doing okay, more than 50% in profit, and we're gonna actually do some trades in this video. So I cannot sign into my KuCoin account for some reason on my laptop. So I'm gonna do the trades from my phone, but I will explain to you what the trades are going to be. So we're gonna be taking a look at Boson protocol, and I did mention this in the Patreon before mentioning this right now. Obviously in the Patreon, I'm going to give you all the calls first, in the HaZeeq's crypto club. That's what we're going to be calling it. And this is basically a Metaverse crypto project. And as you know, the Metaverse projects are pumping heavily. And this project actually has some events coming up at the end of November. So November 14th, a partnership announcement, November 14th, a roadmap release, and November 18th, the Boson portal launch. So a lot of events coming up. Also, this Boson token is available on KuCoin, so good for me and good for anyone who wants to invest in this project after doing their thorough research. So as you can see, we do have a cup and handle pattern playing out with a target at the 1.618, because I do have the fib from the swing low to the swing high, giving us the 1.618 at $4.85. And that is also the target from the cup and handle pattern. So keep that in mind. This is something that we're looking at. Obviously, like, it can go absolutely parabolic and just get to $10. But what I'm actually going to be doing is, if we jump into the trading history that we have over here. So you can see that I bought in 8.4 Uniswap tokens at the price of $24.2, and the current price of Uniswap is $25.85. So what I'm going to be doing actually is selling 4 Uni tokens over here. I'm going to be selling 4 those, and I'll be buying in $103 worth of Boson tokens. And I'm just going to do a quick kind of flip with that. Hopefully it does get some price appreciation in the next couple of weeks, talking about the Boson protocol. And if we get a nice entry and exit in there, I'll hop back into Uniswap if the price hasn't risen that much. But if not, I'll be looking at some other projects to enter for the time being. Obviously, shopping.io is really kind of a sucker over here. It's not really doing anything at the moment. I'm down $43, but on Uniswap, you can see that I'm down $5 as well. It's because I do have some previous Uniswap tokens that I bought in at $27.7. So that's why I'm at loss with those tokens, with that purchase basically. But here I bought in at 24, and yeah, you can see that here I bought in at 28.5 as well. So I'm going to be selling the 4 tokens that I have remaining out of this purchase over here that I got into at 24.2. So I'll be selling at profit over here, as you can see, $103.6. And I'll be putting those into the Boson token. Hopefully that's the right way of spelling it. So today is November 18th. There we go. That's a bit wrong. And I'll be putting in $103.6. And yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for $4 to $5 on this. I won't have an exact price match because the price can really go parabolic, but $4 to $5, I'll be taking profits from that project. And yeah, I'm just gonna do the trade right now, and I'll come back to you in a second. Okay, so there we go. Made the purchase. I got 36.14 tokens, and I'll be taking profits from that once we get to $4 to $5. If we get overextended, right, I'm not going to be setting any sell orders right now because we might get parabolic on this thing, but I might just set a $7, $6 sell order right now, and then I'll be looking at the price closely as we get towards the events themselves. But yeah, as you can see, $103.2. The entry price was $2.85. So if we go to CoinMarketCap on this project, the market cap is relatively low, as you can see. And if you go to all, you can see that the price is recovering to the previous all-time highs, which was over here at $5.4 in April. So you can see that it had some steady growth over here during the correction that we had. It was a good price to enter. Obviously, I didn't know about this project back then. And with the Metaverse pumping, there's a high chance that this project is going to do us some good. So, powerful e-commerce. So, to learn about this project, check out the deep dive of Boson Protocol. So, Boson Protocol's vision is to enable a decentralized commerce ecosystem by funding and accelerating the development of a stack of specialist applications to disrupt, unbundle, and democratize the commerce. What is needed is a way to execute commerce transactions trustlessly with minimized human intermediaries or arbitraries. Our core technology disrupts e-commerce platforms by tokenizing real-world products and services and commerce data within liquid digital market built on DeFi. We call this decentralized autonomous commerce. So basically, you can sell real-life items through NFTs, right? That's the basic idea of this project. They do have some cool videos up on YouTube. Go check those out. But yeah, look into this project. Obviously, if you're following the trades that I am, you're in profit already by more than 50%, obviously. And this is one of the next little flips that I'm doing. And I still do have Uniswap. I still do have 5.4 Uniswap tokens. So if we stay at the relatively same price right now, and this does a quick like 2x or 3x, then I'm going to be putting all this money back into Uniswap because it still hasn't had its move yet. And I bet right after this, like tomorrow, Uniswap is going to $40. Now, talking about the Uniswap targets that I still have. So as you can see, I was targeting $33 over here. I'm not going to be targeting that anymore because Uniswap has been consolidating for so long, and I do see a breakout happening very soon. So I'm going to be looking at $40 at least as the sort of first, as the first kind of sell order that I'm going to have. So yeah, $40, and also Chainlink, I'm going to be upgrading that target to $45 from now on. I'll be looking at that, and we do have 5.49 tokens, and yeah, other than that, we're doing pretty good. I wouldn't say we're doing extraordinary well, obviously, but I think this is pretty good. Hopefully we can get to $5,000 by the end of the year if we make some nice flips. Shopping.io is one that's really annoying me, so we'll see if we'll be holding it throughout, not throughout, but if we'll be holding it to our $110 price tag. Maybe I'll be selling it a bit earlier than that. We'll see what we do with it. And also, I did want to take a look at Solbank, and I did want to invest something in that, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get into that after this Boson Protocol has its events done, and maybe I'll take the profits and put it into Solbank, because that's another great low cap gem that I've been talking about on the channel for quite some time. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Still have our multivac in profit over here. Still have the Polkadex in profit as well, and Chainlink obviously in profit as well. I got in at 24. The average buy-in price is $24.9. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the HaZeeq Crypto Club over here, our Patreon, and we do have a lot of tiers. We do have more tiers coming. Make sure to check out the Discord server as well. We do have a lot of technical analysis going on in there. As you can see, if you go here, you can see we have a TA requests and answers, where you can request for any technical analysis, and either me or the moderator will answer. We have a great technical analyst over here in the chat that will help you out at any time he can. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out me on Twitter as well. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.